We know you can read, you can understand, maybe you can even watch a Hebrew movie with subtitles. But then someone talks to you, and suddenly your brain's like, words not found. That's because speaking is the scariest part for almost every language learner. But don't worry, we've got your back. Introducing the newest Rosen School of Hebrew course. Let's talk Hebrew, just real people, real Hebrew, real practice, where you'll start speaking Hebrew more naturally in 3 months, 2 classes per week. Let's take a quick look at one of our classrooms.
So hello to everybody. Good morning. I am Carmel Luxembourg. I'm a teacher in Rosen School of Hebrew. On this course, Let's Talk Hebrew, which is solely a spoken Hebrew course, which means no text, no reading, no writing, and trying to kind of avoid making it heavily grammatical. So you will start meeting some sentences and some options in Hebrew, which will open for you more options and your appetite for learning more Hebrew.
With a native instructor guiding you, you'll learn the natural way, speaking, listening, and connecting. Grammar can wait, your voice can. Sign up today and start speaking Hebrew from day one. Your conversation superpower awaits.